Okay, you guys, welcome back to the channel. Sam Stay Grilling. Trying out a different sauce marinade today. We got two beautiful pork steaks. First, we're just going to put them in this bag. Simple and easy. And pour some of this over it. And let it sit for about 2 hours. Just trying it out. And I definitely will let you know how it tastes. It's a North Carolina pig picking style barbecue sauce. All right, let's take the top off of this. Pour it in there. Strong vinegar smell. All right, we'll let it sit for 2 hours. Get it on the grill. All right, you guys, we're going to start over a high heat, directly over the coals. Once we get our crust, we're going to move it to the back and let it slow cook. And the smell is, boy, this thing smells good. All right, you guys, these pork steaks are done, and it smells just like you're cooking a hog. This is some real good stuff here. Pig picking, barbecue sauce, and all-purpose seasoning. Please give that a try. Yes, sir. Don't forget to hit that subscription button, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.